Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day video. It's going to be all keto because I am challenging myself to do at least 30 days of a keto diet to see how I feel. So you just saw me do my first, I guess, meal or first drink of the day. It is a bulletproof coffee. So I have my coffee in there. I'm actually drinking decaf. And then I put 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. So I'm gonna enjoy this right now and then start breakfast. Alright, all done making breakfast. So I did 2 eggs, 2 slices of bacon, some kimchi, and half an avocado. So this is definitely my go-to breakfast. I absolutely love it. Even if I'm not following a keto diet, that's probably what I'm having. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy this and I'll see you guys at lunch. Alright guys, it is now lunchtime and I'm going to be having some Cobb salad. So Cobb salad is such a good option if you're following a keto diet or just any time, but you have some of these like key keto foods like some bacon, some eggs, avocado, mayo. We're going to use that as a dressing. So yeah, let's get started. So I have all my ingredients right in front of me. I kind of made it simple so you guys don't have to watch me prep everything. First, I'm gonna grab some ingredients and fill up the bottom of this bowl. Next up, we can add our chicken. So I have a scale here. I'm just gonna weigh out. So I'm gonna switch this. All right, perfect. Let's cut up some cucumber. Alright, cucumbers are done, so let's add that right next to the chicken. Perfect. Next, let's do the bacon. I'm just going to do 1 slice of bacon. Because I already had some today, so we're not going to overdo the bacon today. Chop that in little pieces. Alright. Perfect. Let's do tomatoes next. I'm just going to grab 5 cherry tomatoes and slice them in half. And add that to the bowl. Alright, looking good. What do we have next? So we have an egg. So I'm going to crack this egg. Let's see how easy or not it's going to be to peel this one. Peel right here. Alright, not bad. And then I'm just going to slice it. Didn't work so well. Actually, I'm cubing it. I don't even know what this is. Pieces. And add that to the bowl again. Alright. Avocado, can't forget our avocado. Avocados are so important when you're doing a ketogenic diet because if not, I feel like if you're not getting the fats from avocados or maybe even nuts and seeds, then you're gonna heavily rely on animal fats. There's nothing wrong with them, but I'm still trying to keep my diet full of vegetables. so the avocado is actually a fruit. And usually I would just do half an avocado, but this is honestly like so small. Like these are the smallest avocados I've ever seen in my life. So I think I don't know. No, I'm just gonna do half of this though. We have a lot of goodies in here. And now for the dressing, I'm going to use a combination of this Primal Kitchen avocado oil mayo and the Primal Palette Garden Range seasoning mix. We're going to mix the two and then drizzle that over our salad and that'll be it. So I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons. This is a teaspoon, but I'll just make it really big and then it'll be like a tablespoon of mayo. That's 1. And then 2. If you're just starting off like measuring your food, then I highly recommend actually using the proper measurements or the scale. But I've done that in the past and I feel like now I have a pretty good eye for what my measurements should be. So I've never used this stuff. So let's start with around a teaspoon and mix it in and see what it looks like. That would be a teaspoon. It smells so good. This looks pretty good. It's thick, but it definitely looks like there is enough. So I could just pour that over the salad, but if you're into making your food look good for Instagram, this is what I do. So I'm gonna grab a little baggie, just like that, and open it up. I'm gonna add the sauce in here. All right, and then you zip it up. And you press everything down to the corner. Right. And then cut a little hole at the bottom, the corner of the little bag. And then you can just make a nice drizzle on the salad instead of just adding a big tablespoon there. So we're just gonna do a nice little drizzle. Perfect. So there's 2 servings in here. I wouldn't use 2 full tablespoons on one salad. So there's about 1 tablespoon left here and then the rest of my salad. So that is the finished product. So I'll be enjoying that and then I'll see you guys probably for a snack afterwards because lately I've been wanting a dessert after lunch. I know it sounds kind of weird. I haven't been wanting something sweet or dessert-y after dinner, but after lunch. So let's see if this fills me up or not. And I am back. So I just got back from about 3 hours of beach volleyball. It was very interesting. This was my first time doing some very explosive physical activities since I started keto. And yeah, I can feel it. As soon as I started playing, any muscle that I have that's kind of like kind of tight really tightened up to the point that I thought they were going to cramp. They didn't really. But yeah, my quads right now are dying. So very tired. So as soon as I got there, I had a good fat bar. So it's the Love Good Fats in the chocolate mint, which is my favorite. So I don't know, I felt like I needed like energy, like carbs, but that didn't really help me at all. But anyways, I had it anyways. And now I'm having my electrolytes. These are the Vega Sport hydrator electrolytes. I try to take those when I'm working out, and I already had some today, but because my muscles are just feeling so tight and to the point that they feel like they're gonna cramp, I figured let's just go and have another one. So, and it tastes delicious. So I'm sipping on this and I'm gonna start dinner because I'm so hungry. So we're gonna make a super easy egg roll in a bowl. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, I couldn't even get through half of dinner without just going to shower, washing my face, and putting my pajamas on. That's how tired I am, but I made it. Dinner is ready and I'm so excited to just hang out on the couch, enjoy this, and yeah, there's not going to be much else happening tonight. I probably won't be having a dessert tonight. I already had kind of my treat, my good fat bar earlier, but I will be enjoying this water as well. So I love this sparkling water, lime flavored, and yeah, there's no carbs, no sugar or anything. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this what I ate in a day. I know I really do. I love watching them and I love doing them. So yeah, let me know what was your favorite meal of the day. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!